my personal experience is that when you were saying about money at the dinner table, etc. I heard my mom would say, I have champagne taste and beer pockets. So for me, that was motivation. I had to get champagne. Since I had champagne taste, I needed to get champagne pockets, right? I had to get there. My mom was heavily interested or making moves with real estate. So I ultimately moved into real estate, started doing real estate, and then jumped into the stock market, right? Wow. So my fundamental belief was that, again, with this systematic racism and oppression and wanting to ensure that the culture is not getting this information, it's made to be so super complex when it's really not. You're talking trades and options and candlestick charts and all of that. What we do is we say, do three things. Open an account, fund an account, and then buy a stock. The easiest thing to do is just call your bank and see if they have a brokerage tied to it. Bank of America is Merrill Edge. TD Bank is TD Ameritrade. None of them pay me, but they need to start paying me. Right?
Absolutely,
So that's open an account. Then you fund the account. When you fund the account, you're taking money out of your bank account and you're putting it into your brokerage account to prepare to buy a stock. Now, here's where things get thick and folks start to say it's murky. Now you have to do your research to actually open fund, purchase a stock. What kind of phone do you use?
iPhone.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes.
What kind of laptop is it?
iPhone or Apple.
It's a Mac, right? So right now you're a consumer. So how do we go from you being a consumer to a producer and an owner? You're already invested in it. So why are we, not to you, but to the communities, why are you saying that this is very difficult when you already own earbuds, you own an iPhone, you own a MacBook, you own an iPad, you're already purchasing it. So instead of buying that next product, buy the stock. And guess what? That stock gives you a dividend. What's a dividend? A dividend is money they're going to give you back because you bought the stock to buy your next iPhone. We don't have to make this very difficult. So when we have those conversations, we keep it in the most simple terms, but it's very clear to explain to people there's a difference between simple and easy. It's not an easy path to wealth building, but there's very simple steps if you follow it. What kind of car do you drive? What type of refrigerator is in your home? I'm using myself as a bad example. I have a Louis Vuitton book bag, suitcase, and shoes, but I don't own LVMH, right? So Gemini is like, you're doing well. You got all this Louis on. Bad Gemini is like, why are you not buying the stock? And that's what we teach the parents. Take a look at what's in your household already. Roblox IPO, a ton of my kids in the school bought Roblox and came up off of it. So the idea is to just break it down that it's simple, not easy, because there's a difference, and then make it good for you to be able to consume, understand, and then go out there and just get it.